calibration levels are stable on sector gamma.
Acknowledged. Divert power to the main conduit.
We're increasing the aqua channel density here to optimize the bioluminescent output.
Mist nozzles spray ultra-fine protective coating. Glow becomes smoother and more uniform.
The durability test results are stable. Look at the elasticity index here.
Yes, the aqua scanning lasers confirm the integrity.
Workers assemble glowing jellyfish-shaped lamps with tentacle-like LED strands. The biomaterial moves through the sealing process, handled entirely by our advanced robotic systems, ensuring purity and efficiency.
Shredders grind leftover polymer. Recycled pieces glow faintly.
Recycled flakes melted into new glowing resin. showcase of glowing materials in purple, aqua, pink, and neon green.
Look at the pulsation on screen 3. We should try to mimic that texture in the next batch.
Agreed. The aqua glow is perfect.
The key here is the integration of the organic polymers. This allows the bioluminescence to function not just as light.
Close-up of new membrane textures inspired by moon jellyfish. Robots sort materials by glow intensity and color.
Technicians adjust LED wavelengths to match specific jellyfish colors.
Slow bending of glowing sheet, showing high elasticity. Weaving machine interlaces glowing fibers into cloth. Fire retardant test on small material sample. Safe glow remains intact. In this deep-sea-inspired facility, automated forklifts seamlessly transfer